Today I spent a beautiful day down in the national park watching the birds and learning from the birds, watching how they just follow their own nature. There's no faking it with a bird. There's no trying to figure out their identity or who they are, or questioning things. They just live simply, not like us complicated humans. And it made me just realize we can learn so much from those birds. We can really live our lives if we really know ourselves. We can live our lives in peace and serenity, following our own unique nature and creating the life that we want to live, rather than trying to define ourselves by the expectations or the agendas of others. Because when we don't know ourselves, we are open to allowing others to tell us who we are. And that just leaves us wide open to confusion, overcomplicating things, and getting lost upstream. We'll always be pulled back. Tide always comes back. But you can spend some time off path. That doesn't mean that it's not, everything isn't perfect, because you went off path for a reason. You went upstream a little way, but you'll always be pulled back. You'll always be pulled back by the tide or by the river drying up, and you'll drop off your baggage and unload the weight of what led you up that stream in the first place, and then you'll be gently pulled back to the middle and fly again. Fly and float and be free, which is your birthright. So I guess today I'm spending the time with the birds to just really learn from their freedom, from their unique ability to live in the moment and follow their own unique nature. And not worry. Be completely free. Yeah. Take it easy. Beautiful dragonflies. This one wants to be filmed to remind you of who you are, to listen to yourself and glide, listen to your own wing beat rhythm. Take time to stop, to rest, to assess, and then be free to go wherever you want, the entire river, wherever it is the wind leads you.